Hello everybody and welcome to another DCME tutorial. Today we're going to show you a further enhancement to the clone functionality where we can clone selective days. This scenario could be used, if you're cloning a day from one staff member to another staff member for the following week, or if you don't want to clone the full week and just part of that week from one staff member to the same staff member. Many different scenarios where it could save you a lot of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at Jim Black and we're going to look at his specific rota for the week of the 10th of February. As you can see, he has lots of different appointments. Now, if we were to go into clone the whole week, we would have to copy all of that. It would simply copy all of those appointments and apply them to a different week. But in this scenario, we're going to clone selective days. This could be because Jim's off on a specific day or he's only working 3 days the following week. So how we do this is we click clone selective days. We select the staff member, Jim Black, and then we select the days we want to clone. So if we say the 10th, the 12th, and the 13th, and we click next. Here we have all of those appointments that Jim has. So let's say, for example, on the 10th, we're going to clone his whole week and a whole day and apply it to Jim for the 24th. And on the 12th, we're just going to select the appointments for Barbara Babel and we're going to apply that to a different staff member. We're going to apply that to Jake Ring, and on the 13th we're going to select the whole day and we're going to apply that for the 28th. It could be any day, doesn't have to be the same day the following week. So we do that for the 27th when you apply that to Daniel Lawrence. Now let's then click clone and save. It will then do some checks to make sure there's no overlaps, and that has now cloned. So all we can do now, let's look at the rota for Jim Black for the week of the 24th. We can see the whole day has been cloned as required. Let's look at that for Daniel Lawrence. We can see he has the whole day. And now let's look at that and we can see only the selected ones for Barbara have been applied to Jake. So as you can see, the cloning functionality gives you further enhancements which can save you a lot of time if staff call in sick or someone can only work a few days the following week instead of doing everything manually. With the clone selective days, it will make your life a lot easier. We hope this added functionality will improve the efficiency of your business and look forward to more tutorials in the future. DCME, Domiciliary Care Made Easier.